Hey guys, welcome to Nasike's Kitchen. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do. We'll really appreciate. Remember to like, comment and share. Today I'm going to show you how to wash, clean and also make your microwave smell so nice. This is our microwave. You can see that it has some clots of oil in it, and you're going to clean it, shine it and make it smell so nice. So the first step that I'm going to do, I'm going to take my multi-purpose liquid soap, lemon and hot water. And if you would want some multi-purpose liquid soap, I'm selling from 500 ml to 20 liters. You can reach me and we make this happen. So guys, I've added the hot water in my basin, and then I've added the liquid soap and the lemon juice and also the covers. I'll add them in. After that, I'm going to take my kitchen cloth, squeeze a bit, and then I'll start from outside, wiping from outside, going in. And this process, you should be able to do it at least once a week, or if you're not able, you can do it once a month, but deep cleaning. So after I've wiped the outside, I'm going to wipe the inside. And I think I should let you know, if you're using a microwave, ensure that you're not using a metallic or aluminium things. For example, fork, spoon, plate. You can use melamine, plastic or glass, and it will be good to go. So it's important to make sure that your microwave is clean, because this is the place you use to warm your food. Sometimes you cook some foods using the microwave. So it's good to ensure that it's safe and clean for your consumption, so that you don't also get, sick. Because of that. And also, if you don't have, you can use also vinegar or lemon juice. They both work the same. So you don't have to use vinegar, you don't have to use lemon. Whichever you have, you can use it. After that, I'm going to clean using another dry cloth, kitchen cloth. And I just discovered my microwave was still having some oil. It was not 100% clean, so I'm going to use another step to ensure that it is 100% clean. After that, I'm going to add a half cup of water in my bowl. Add some vinegar, and I've used tap water. I'll put it inside the microwave and let it heat for about 3 minutes. The water vapor will help the clogs of oil to melt down, and it will also give the microwave a very nice smell. And after that, I let it rest for about 5 minutes for the moisture to be able to be utilized. So I removed the water, and it had a pungent smell. I smelled the water, it had a pungent smell. After that, I wiped the microwave to remove the moisture. And for sure it was so clean. So guys, remember to try out this and let me know how it turned out. And also remember to like, comment, share, subscribe to my content, and I will really appreciate. And there it is. Tara!